Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you are doing good. So today in this video I'm going to explain the exercises of chapter 6, working of computer. Exercises are given in the book on page number 40. So in the activity 1 we have to write the input process and output table. Here it is in two tables are given. For one is for making tea and another is for making a glass of juice. So today I'll explain the making of tea here, and making a glass of juice is just a homework for you. Please try to do it. If you are facing any confusion or having any problem while doing it, you can ask me on the Campus Care app. So let's begin with making tea. So here we have to mention the input, process and output of the making of tea. So what are the inputs we know already? uh, First one is the milk, sugar, tea, water, gas stove, container. So these all are the things which are needed while to make the tea. Next is the process. Process means how to make a tea. So for this process is switch on the gas stove and keep the container on it. Fill the container with milk and water, and what we have to do, we have to add tea and a spoon of sugar in it and boil it and switch off the burner after some time when the tea is ready. So here we have switch on the gas stove, we have to keep the container over it, we have to fill the container with water and milk, and after that we have to add tea and a spoon of sugar in it, and we have to boil all these content for some time. Okay, then after that we receive what we got that tea is prepared. So the output is the result we got at the last. So output is we got the tea that is ready to drink, and this is the output or the final result. So next we have activity 2. Convert the following into input, process, output table. So here we are given some data on which some operations are performing, and we already know the data which is provided as a raw data which is provided by user is the input. So here 24, first one is the 24 plus 76 is equal to 100, and this 24 and 76 are the data which are provided to the computer or to us to perform any action. So the raw data are 24 and 76, means input are the 24 and 76, and what the process are to be performed on this, we have to add it plus. So the process here is plus, and we already know that the output is the final result, so it is equal to 100, means our output will be 100. So next one is the 72 minus 42 is equal to 30. Likewise the same, 72 and 42 are the inputs, minus is the process. So we got the output as 30. Next is 25 multiply by 5 is equal to 125. So here likewise the same, 25 and 5 are the inputs, and multiply sign is the process, and 125 is the output. So next is 80 divided by 10 is equal to 8. So the input means the raw data which is provided is the 80 and 10. So input is 80 and 10, and divide is the process which we have to do, and the final result will be 8. So output is 8. So next we have activity 3, fill in the blanks. First we have dash are the facts or the figures. So we already know that data which is provided by the user. Okay, so the raw data are the facts or figures. Okay. So here the answer is data are the facts or figure. Next is series of changes done on raw data to produce some result is called process. We already know that process is something on which some work is done to produce a result or the output. So answer is the process. So C part is result obtained after processing is called the simple output. The result which we got as a final out result or the final outcome is called the output. Next we have output can be displayed on the monitor. It is simple that whatever the things are performed by the computer, it displays it on the monitor, screen of the monitor. So the answer is monitor. Next we have devices used for input are input devices, keyboard and mouse. So the answer is keyboard and mouse. So I hope that you understand these exercises of chapter 6. Then also if you have any doubt, any confusion, then you can ask me or message over the Campus Care app. Bye bye.